Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'll be showing you how to achieve this style. All right, let's get to it. So I'm starting off on stretched hair. The first thing I'm going to do is create a middle part in the center of my hair, like so. Just trying to make it as neat as possible. I couldn't find my preferred tail comb, so I had to manage this. So I'm just dividing the front section into two. This is the left side, trying my best to make that line precise, like so. And then I'm just going to twist the hair and keep it aside so it doesn't affect me creating the second side. So guys, I'm creating the second section on the right side of my hair. This is where the flat twist is going to be. Next, I'm just packing the back section so that I can focus on my flat twist for now. So guys, I'm detangling with a wide tooth comb just so I don't have any snags while I'm doing my flat twist. And I'm creating the pattern or the line for the first flat twist, like so. I don't want it to be very small, so I'm making it in a medium size. So guys, the first thing you want to do is create two equal parts, and then you just twist like so. And as you're twisting, you're picking the other hair and adding it into the twist. So as you twist, you're picking hair from the bottom and attaching it to the flat twist. I'll show you guys another illustration, but you know, flat twist is easy once you get it, and the more you practice, the more your hand becomes firm and the style becomes neater. Just twisting the ends like so. I'm just doing the same thing again, creating a line and then twisting. Just want to twist down, and then as you twist, you're picking up more hair and adding it to the flat twist. I'm going to do 3 on each side. So 3 on the left side, 3 on the right side. Detangling the hair, flat twisting. Guys, this style is so simple. You can do it under 20 minutes. Like, it's a really simple style. Guys, I couldn't get the perfect line because I wasn't using the right tail comb to create the pattern, but you get the drifts. I was repeating the same thing. Last but not the least, twist and pick, twist and pick, twist and pick, twist and pick. I'm all done, and now I'm just going to attach the flat twist to the bun of my hair like so. And then I'm going to twist it. And then I'm going to pin it up like so. This could be a style on its own, guys. I'm just applying some mousse on my hair to just give it that hold and make sure everything looks really good. And then I'm going to tie a scarf so that the mousse can set in. Next, I'm going to use this kinky hair from Natural Hair Rocks. You can check them out on Instagram. They have a website as well. And I'm just adding this to give the hair some pizzazz, you know, so it looks like my hair. It matches, the texture matches my hair so very well. So I like that about the units. I'm just going to blend that, make it blend. And I'm going to apply some gel so my edges look, you know, slickety slick. This is the Gorilla Glue gel, not the one that the viral girl used though. And voila, this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Till next time.
So you wanna roll, huh? You got that look in your eyes, staring right into my soul.